New York County District Attorney Alvin Bragg's refusal to disclose the underlying crime the defendant intended to conceal through his alleged falsification of business records may have violated former President Trump's Sixth Amendment rights, legal experts opined Wednesday. The Sixth Amendment to the United States Constitution provides in part for the right of a criminal defendant to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor. When asked by a reporter what the underlying crime the indictment does not name, Bragg replied in New York State, he didn't have to. The indictment doesn't go into specifics because the law does not require it, he told the journalist. On the Fox News show Hannity, legal analyst Greg Jarrett strongly rejected Bragg's allegation, saying that Bragg probably violated Trump's right to know the specific charges against him. According to the Sixth Amendment, he does have to name it, Jarrett said. The indictment is therefore facially defective. It is deficient on its face and it would be susceptible to a motion to dismiss. Jarrett questioned whether Bragg slept through constitutional law in his studies at Harvard, envisioning the prosecutor working late one evening in New York City, mumbling to himself, "I've got to get Trump, what crime?" What crime? And that an office worker simply remarked, "Don't say anything." Washington Times editor Charlie Hurt later added, with this belief, that if Bragg's charges are true, he could face more prison time, 136 years, than the infamous Ponzi schemer Bernard Madoff. Madoff died at a Butner, North Carolina, prison in 2021. This is such a circus. It's so absurd. It's so ridiculous. Alvin Bragg has so embarrassed himself, embarrassed to the legal profession that it is going to, I think, set the tone for anything else any of these wacko, crazed, lunatic, left-wing, politicized Democrat DAs want to do to try to destroy Trump, Hurt said on a recent episode of The Ingram Angle. Another Democratic prosecutor who is investigating Trump is Fulton County, Georgia's Fani Willis. The case in the largest of a handful of counties, the city of Atlanta, comprises centers on allegations Trump violated the law when he asked Georgia Secretary of State Bradford Raffensperger to find a number of votes equal to what he needed to win the Peach State. Trump is also under special counsel investigation after Attorney General Merrick Garland named now former Kosovo war crimes prosecutor John Jack Smith to probe the discovery of classified documents at the former president's Palm Beach home. Smith's appointment comes after the recent revelation that classified documents were found at Trump's Palm Beach home. Trump also faces a civil suit in New York City from advice columnist E. Jean Carroll, who accused him of rape. Jean Carroll, who alleged the then-mogul sexually assaulted her at Bergdorf Goodman sometime in either 1995 or 1996. In a January transcript, Trump denied the incident, saying, "Carroll said I did something to her that never happened. There was nothing. I know nothing about this nut job."